Hello friends! It is a fine, beautiful autumn morning today, and everywhere I go I see acorns. And as we all know, acorns are rich in tannins and make for a superb dyeing resource. So, let's get to foraging a shit ton of acorns and dye some wool, now shall we? Art thou ready?
In Dutch we call acorns eikel, but we also call a squirrel acorn. The word eikel is also used to point at someone who is actually a complete jerk, a real ass. We call them an eikel. The more you know.
Now we are going to boil all of the tannins out of these acorns. Some warnings: never use your dye pots for cooking. Keep your dye pots separate from everything you're cooking with. Also, make sure the room you're dyeing in is well ventilated, because shit can be stinky and shit can be poisonous as well. Not acorns necessarily, but just be careful. What do you say? I think this is quite dark enough. Let's add some scoured wool. This is some more tessellaar. I have learned that I have been pronouncing this incorrectly all this time. It is tessellaar and not texellaar, even though there is an X. So thank you, random Dutch person on Reddit, for pointing that out. That even though my vernacular is Dutch, I still don't know how to speak it. Let's let this steep for a while. So this had quite a while to steep. It turned a lovely beige, but I want to make a lovely grey. So let's add some iron water to this. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful grey locks of tessellaar. It has a little bit of a purplish, bluish undertone. It's really lovely. So this was a great autumn one-day project. Or well, the project made itself. I can just do whatever whenever the acorns were boiling or whenever the wool was seeping. This is why I like natural dyeing projects so much. You can just put it in the pot and leave it. The dye pot is mature enough to do its own thing. It will do its magic. And it is magic indeed. This fiber went from white to brown to grey. So yeah, you will be seeing some grey fluff. Well, I forgot, it's still wet. But you will be seeing some grey fluff in future projects. So, if you like these kind of fiber shenanigans, then maybe you could like, comment or subscribe. That is all up to you. And as for me, I will see you in a next video. Bye!